In this guide, we're going over how you can get Eevee here in Pokemon Pokopia. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel, and it does let us know that you want more content like this, so we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But getting Eevee is really as simple as just spawning in a specific habitat. The habitat that you're going to want to spawn in is the pretty flower bed. So if you already have one placed and another Pokemon is living there, like Pidgey for example, you're going to have to move that out. If you want to get Eevee, for example, you could really do this in the very beginning. And I have all my flower beds set up way up here. But these guys both live in these pretty flower beds, just like so. This is actually where Eevee can spawn. So go ahead and do that. Now, of course, once you do have a free pretty flower bed habitat opened up, you just got to go ahead and wait. But there is an easier way to do this. If you go ahead and take this bridge way over there over to Pallet Town, which is like that open world area you could also like see other players at. You could also get Eevee from there. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you guys do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.